Let's have a look at question 3. So the dependent variable in this case is S, your independent is T. If you cover up your derivative and you look at the rest of the equation, you'll see you only have your independent variable, which means that this one is a very straightforward one. It's just direct integration. So we say put all the t's on one side, plus 5, divide through by t, and you get 4t squared, and we integrate both sides. Then we'll have s, and this is going to be 4 over 3 cubed plus your constant. Now you would have seen that the question just asks you to solve the differential equation. Remember, that means that you want to find the general solution because no initial conditions were given. You must also remember, when you say solve a differential equation, what you're looking for is an expression for the dependent variable, so that if you take your first derivative in this case and you substitute in both s as well as your first derivative, your equation has to balance. So this over here would be the solution for this question.